he disappeared, but he didn't go alone. He took Radharani with him, and no one else. Then all the gopis began to search, where is Krishna? Where is he gone? And that's where we begin today. Our divine love story, the Radha-Krishna's Rasa Lila, begins, it starts off with a very romantic attraction and setting, and excitement. The Vraja-gopis run into the forest full of excitement. Then the lovers meet, then there's conflict arises, then there's disappointment and frustration results, then there's dialogues ensue. Krishna speaks, the gopis speak. Then the conflict is resolved, so the lovers, Krishna and the gopis, can rejoice together, thrilling in the bliss of their play. And then Krishna separates. Union and separation. Seeing you and being with you and losing you and being with you and losing you. This is basically the whole divine Leela of Krishna. From time eternal. He's with Yashoda in the morning, and he goes 9 hours away from Yashoda, and she cries for 9 hours because he's with the cowherd boys and the cows and playing and frolicking. And then he comes home and she's happy, and then she's very happy, and then at night she doesn't know where he goes. So he's with the cowherd boys in the evening, he comes back and he goes in his house, and they don't see him till sunrise, and they cry all night. They don't even sleep because they're separated. And the gopis are separated and they're crying, and then he meets them at night and then they're happy. So Krishna's business is making some devotees happy and some devotees cry. He makes you cry and he makes you laugh. You can't control him. Yashoda, it's unbelievable. This Govinda Lilamrita is unbelievable.